Hello everyone, I'm here back with the other Litex all-weather in the other half of the living room on the left side. And I'm gonna start it up. I'm here with my cat again because he likes to walk around. So this is the one I said didn't have the Harbor Breeze pull chains like that one did. See, one's got the Harbor Breeze pull chains. Then this one's got just standard oak because one of them broke off and is in my lamp over there. You can see it on the end. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this is light. Yep, there we go. I don't know the controls because I don't use it. I don't use the things because it's so high up and they're on a standard switch. This one just has an outlet back there. And I already had to switch up so I could show the pull chains work. Start it up on low. Cat. Place is a mess, of course, because my brother doesn't clean up after himself at all, whatsoever. He doesn't clean his own stuff up and he messes up mine. Siblings, am I right? It's kind of nice low, actually. It's not quite aesthetic low, but of course aesthetic low isn't good when you have a plastic outdoor fan. The housing's metal, but the blades aren't. They're plastic as all. Definitely nice. Let's bumper up. I'm being a bad recorder because of my cherry hands. Plus, I took away my phone case off my phone, and it's really slick, so I'm not used to holding it yet because my phone case was broken. This one's the pull chain thing is much smoother than that one. I'm not following the fan very well because I'm not looking at the camera as well as I am just looking at the fan. Which is bad of me as a cameraman for this. I'm gonna bump it up fast. I'm not paying as much attention to the camera or the fan as I am the floor. Trying not to step on things. This is work, it's ugly. Seems fine actually. It's wobbling up a little bit. There it goes. See it? It's wobbling much worse in real life than it is on camera. I don't know if you can see that or not, but kind of shows how bad it's wobbling. Okay. Cut off. I've never posed it like a camera like that before, so hopefully that came out okay. Cat's cooled. I'm not doing any editing on this video at all, so there's not going to be like a timer. Probably should spin down timers and like keep track of them. But I'm not a good YouTuber, so I'm not going to do it. By the way, I'm probably going to make a video a little bit about YouTube and gaming and stuff. About multiple channels. Because I might be switching all these fan videos over to another channel. And I already have a second account channel, I just haven't had a chance to use it, because, I made an email that I made another one because I needed certain things back. I have a couple of channels. This one's the gaming one, which I'm going to keep as gaming, Redstone Meow Gaming. Or Redstone Meow as it is just now. And my other one, Redstone Mouse, I'm sure it's going to just stay my gaming, or turn into my collector videos, and so that's where you'll see all my stuff about my lamps and fans and whatever junk I have. I'm going to turn that into my other channel, and I'm going to keep this one main, because I want to still be able to do gaming for YouTube and not have people getting spammed if they want to actually subscribe and watch my videos. Someone actually sticks that long. Of course, I'm the one who records 40-minute videos that most of the time cuts out commentary because I'm all alone and I don't know what I'm doing. Or I get friends, but they leave before the recording starts. They have to go and all that. Like one time I was trying to record with like 6 people. It's going to be me, Alex, Logan, Jake, Dennis, and Max. Max had to go right before the video started. Jake left because I don't know what his problem was. I don't remember what happened. Dennis just had to go. Logan didn't play, so it ended up just being me and Alex. It's a lot of background echo because he was in the middle of his kitchen, and just turned out to be a 40-minute long video of us playing stupid mini games and hurting each other and stuff. So that's always fun. Bringing back the games. Of course, my computer hasn't been working properly since I got it. It hasn't truly worked properly, and I haven't hit roadblocks. Every time I fix something, I hit another roadblock. Then once I fix that, another roadblock. So, I don't know. I'll explain more about it in the video I'll make later, and that's about it, I think. Here it goes. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know, I'm just going to be like a standard YouTuber, like, subscribe. To be honest, I really don't care if you like or subscribe. Just enjoy the video. Leave a comment if you want to. I don't know. Yeah. Goodbye, guys. See y'all later.